important as well. So monitoring criteria is really just scheduled QC checks, scheduled validation, which is checking for required and conditionally required fields, checking formats, acceptable values, those sorts of things that are very systematic. And then you can have other checks that are more logical discrepancy checks. So checking to see if Dr. Smith is always a DO in the data, or sometimes Dr. Smith an MD or a DO. What is their recipient type? Are they always a physician, or sometimes were they labeled a nurse practitioner and sometimes a physician? So these errors do occur. We recommend this to happen as frequently as you possibly could. If you have very low volume of data, where we're talking about maybe less than 5,000 records for the entire year, then you might do something that's quarterly. But in general, we're seeing people trend towards a monthly monitoring cycle so that they can be up on those errors, they can catch them, and they can start training and changing procedure based on the identified errors. So it's a really great quality control tool. And then reconciliation is much more intensive. So monitoring can often be done, let's say 80 to 85% with some sort of system support, okay, some sort of application support. But reconciliation is very human resources intensive. You actually need a person. We actually partner with a CPA firm to go through this exercise, so they really need to understand how to look at the invoices, receipts, et cetera. And so that's why typically